Hi, this is a demonstration on how you can create a ZAP using NeetoCal. Let us head over and create a new ZAP. The initial step is to add a trigger event. So, on clicking this, you will be shown a bunch of applications from which you will be choosing NeetoCal. In our case, NeetoCal provides two trigger events. One is a trigger event when a new booking is created and another trigger event when a booking is cancelled by a customer. So for demonstration purposes, I shall be choosing new booking event. Now our next step is to integrate our NeetoCal account with Zapier. So clicking on connect a new account, you will be redirected to this tab. Over here, in order to integrate, you need to provide two fields, that is the subdomain and the API key. Now what is a subdomain? As the description suggests, if you access NeetoCal using the link spincart.neetocal.com, then Spincart is your subdomain. In my case, the subdomain for my NeetoCal account would be Jamie Simon. Now let us head over to NeetoCal to generate an API key for the Zapier integration. So this is my admin dashboard of the NeetoCal account. So let's head over to the admin panel, scroll over to other integrations and click on Zapier. Now on clicking on Connect Zapier, you will be prompted to generate an API key to connect to the Zapier platform. Let us give a label for this particular API key. Once you have generated this API key, you can copy this API key and head over to the Zapier integration tab and paste it over there. Once you're done, you're good to go and continue to NeetoCal. Now I've chosen my account from the drop-down and my setup is done. So now let's continue. So our next step is to test our trigger event. So let me create a new booking so that we will have a new booking record in order to test the trigger event. So over here, I am on a meeting link and I will be booking a particular slot. So now I will be booking this particular slot. And yes, my meeting has been confirmed. Now as you can see, there are n number of new booking records present over here. I'm going to choose the latest one and continue with the selected record. So the next step is to trigger an action based on the event that is being generated. So for demonstration purposes, I will be transferring the data that I've received from the booking to a new spreadsheet. So I've created a sample spreadsheet over here with the name, email, company size, and designation. These were the entries that I have received from the client who has booked the meeting. So now let me integrate my Google Sheet as well with the Zapier. So as you can see, I will be creating a spreadsheet row. You can choose the drive and the spreadsheet from where you want to transfer the information to. Now as you can see, the headers of my spreadsheet is present in the configure tab over here. Name, email, company size and designation. So the next step is I want to map the responses that I've received from the client booking to the column fields of my spreadsheet. So name, I would choose the client name. Email, I would choose the client email. Now let us see how we will be choosing company name, company size and designation. If you search for company name, you might not see the response in the first go. The reason being is the field mapping that is present over here is given as formatted form response. If you expand it, you will be seeing company name. So formatted form response, company name is actually present over here. So what is special with these fields? So while I was configuring my meeting, company name, company size are the custom fields that I've added to my client booking form. So how I did that is over here in the settings tab, we have the questions settings. So company name, company size and designation are custom form fields that I have set up for the client to answer. So in order to get these form field responses, over here you will be seeing it as formatted form response. But nevertheless, if you search for the field name, you will be able to get it. So if I search for company size, this is the company size. And if I search for designation, this is the designation. And continue. And I will be testing the step. Now, as you can see, the respective form responses has been mapped to my spreadsheet. Now the last step is to publish this. And you have successfully created a ZAP using NeetoCal. So every time a new booking is made, a new entry is made to the Google Sheet that you have integrated into the ZAP. So now let me test this out once again by creating a new booking. So let me book a slot over here. So now I have successfully created a meeting. Now let's go and see if the ZAP has been triggered. So as you can see, the information that I've received from the new booking has been mapped into this particular Google Sheet. So that is it. Thank you.